Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this KC brand skid steer grapple. This is the 76-inch model. It has the single hydraulic cylinder up front. And one thing I did notice after inventorying these, the four of these, is the outside edges. This is a 5/8 tooth. And also on the center here, on each side, 5/8, half inch, half inch, half inch, 5/8. I think it's a pretty nice thing they went and put that big 5/8 in the middle where they pick. 5/8, then half inch across. That's your hose kit for them. The grapple across the top is 41 inches. The depth from the tip of the tooth to the back, the very back of the bucket, is about 3 feet. Thanks for looking. And something you don't see every day, but these are made in USA.